Meaning of Fauvism.
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 Fauvism. Fauvism was a short-lived but influential art movement that emerged in France at the turn of the 20th century. The term fauve translates to wild beast, which reflected the bold and unconventional style of the artists who associated with it. Fauvist painters were known for their use of bright, vivid colors and spontaneous brushstrokes, often applied directly onto the canvas without preliminary sketches or underpainting. The result was a vibrant, energetic aesthetic that prioritized the expression of feeling over the representation of objective reality. Despite its brevity, Fauvism had a significant impact on the development of modern art.